everybody. Today I'll be teaching you how to flush out the cooling system on your 1994, no wait, it's a 1998 Chevy Silverado HD version with the 454 big block. I think they're basically all the same up until 2000 and the 80s, you know, it's just a big ass box. So let's get into it. First, you're gonna need a flathead like this. Then obviously you're gonna have to pop the hood. Then you're gonna have to locate the hose that goes to the water pump. If you can even see my hand right there. Right there is the hose you need to pop off with the flathead. It's just on there with a, whatchamacallit, I don't know, hose clamp? Yeah, that's what it's called. So you just gotta take that off, and now once it's loose enough, you should just kind of pop right off. Oh yeah, and it's disgusting. Nice and poopy brown. Let this sucker drain out all the way. Yep, make sure you get it all over the place. It's just rusty water. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna refill the radiator with water for a little bit. Flush all the crud out. So get your hose. Alright, now for what I do, at least this is my way of doing it. Oh god, there goes the cap. Make sure you get water every fucking where. All over your not waterproof $40 phone. Make sure she's puking up the bottom. Just get water everywhere. Perfect. Then after struggling to find the cap again, put that back on there. Well, actually not yet. You take the radiator to water pump hose. Oh god, this water on my phone camera, isn't there? Yep. I'll just wipe that off. Alright. So you put that hose back on. You don't have to tighten it down or anything yet until you're running it and driving it. You fill it up back with water. I'm gonna do this off camera because it gets moist. Alright, so now that you've filled it to the brim, what you're gonna do, you're gonna turn on the engine for a little bit so it sucks water all throughout the engine block instead of just staying in the radiator. Alright, what you're gonna do, you're gonna start it. Make sure she's primed. No power steering at the moment. Now you want to make sure she's warmed up all the way, and you gotta have your heater on so it goes through the heater core, so you're flushing the whole damn system. Just let her warm up. Now, you want some RPM on this damn thing so that the water pump does its job. Okay, after doing that for a bit, you're going to want to put more water in it because it's sucking a lot of it through. See how that's emptier again? That thing's going to eat water because it's a huge fucking radiator. Oh god. See how it's back up again? Ah, she's muddy. Now, let's let her cycle through all that crappy rust water stuff in it. Now what you're going to want to do, after it gets nice and toasty again, you want to drain it. And you want to repeat this a couple of times or more until it's clear water coming out of the coolant system, and then run it and drive it for a little bit, because then that'll really flush it out. Alright, it's warm enough. Let's shut it off. And then I want to depressurize the system a little bit. Yeah, make sure it pees shit water all over you. Wow, it's pretty dirty still. Now, I'm going to pull that hose off. And look at all the crap that comes out of it. It's just nasty. Man, I'm dying today. Cannot breathe. It's corona. I got the coronavirus. Make sure it's nice and drained again. Pump more water through it if you need. So basically repeat this process multiple times till it's clear looking again. And just run it for a while and drive it. And keep flushing it till you know it's not going to have any more issues and it's nice and clean looking. Water-colored water instead of just brown turd water. Alright, it's not that hard to do. And it really helps the performance of your radiator. Keeps your engine more cooler when it's a cleaner radiator, obviously. So that's it on that.